All right, so we're back here working on Project GN. I guess today's going to be our first test drive on it. And I got a couple things I got to do. After we broke in the engine, car runs fine actually. I have to put the thermostat in. So I got to take all this off again. This pipe. There's a hose underneath there I have to take off. And then, yeah, we're going to put the thermostat in. I'm probably not going to video any of that. And right over here, I have a leak. And I got to tighten this a little bit more right here. The silver one that goes actually into the intake. So let me start pulling this apart. We'll get the thermostat in here. We'll tighten that up a little bit. And yeah, let's take it for a ride, see how she runs. So hold on 1 second. All right, so we got the new thermostat in there. I'm gonna button it all up right now. I should be able to get a wrench on this over here. We're gonna find out here in a second. So hold on a second. All right, we got it running. Just hopping off a little extra coolant that spilled out. All right, we got a little bit of oil that spilled on here, transmission fluid. But so far, yeah, she's running good. Exhaust is all buttoned up. Yeah, about to take it for a ride. Yeah, running real smooth, real good. No lights on the dash or anything. I think we got lucky here. So hold on. Next time will be when we're driving. All right, here we go. Maiden voyage. New steering box feels good. Still got smoke coming off the turbo. My father spilt it on when he was doing the filling up, putting added transmission fluid. Yeah, she's running pretty good. Maiden voyage. Been almost 6 months, I believe. Boost gauge, I never hooked it up yet. But we're just doing a shakedown. Temperature and oil is good. We're in the mountains of Sicily right now. So far it feels pretty good. To a main road, I'll turn the camera back on. Yeah, she's running good. We gotta get gas. We're big time out of gas on this thing. Oil pressure's nice. Need some 93 in here. So far, everything's going pretty good. The TV cable seems to be the detent cable, or whatever you want to call it, kickdown cable. Everything seems to be pretty good with that. I had it marked, so I was happy I'm not hassling with that at all. Gotta break her in though, you know. Can't play with it for another, 1,000 miles. works great. That's a plus. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Over here. Alright, so I'm going to put some gas in this thing and we'll go for a ride. Alright, so we're at the gas station. I just put like 36 bucks worth in here. I'm thinking my father spilled the tranny fluid besides here all over the wrap. But other than that, everything's been perfect. So, yeah, let's get going. Alright, we got a little bit of fuel in here. Let's go back to the house, pop the hood, and check it out. Whistling. I don't know what that's all about. It never really whistled like that in the past, so I might have to recheck my couplers. Yeah, so far not too bad. Good maiden voyage here. Yeah, the hills up here are ridiculous. Temperature is good. Voyage number one. Might have to lower the idle a little bit. Yeah, something tells me we got a vacuum leak somewhere here. Alright, so, yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So hold on. Alright, guys, I made it back to my house. She runs perfect. Everything's pretty darn good. I'm very happy, but we have one major problem. As soon as I turned down my road, the power steering stopped working. So the steering wheel right now is rock hard to turn. And the only thing that I heard was making a noise. It was the pump down there. So it looks like the pump is, I got to pull this all apart again, change a freaking pump. Unbelievable. Fluid's full, so the belt's not slipping. Everything's, you know what I mean, good. So there we are, power steering pump. So that's my next project right here. And yeah, so we'll end that video here, and it bit me. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.